Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into whether vLawyer, the AI legal assistant, is a game changer for law students and practicing lawyers. Let's find out. vLawyer is a cutting-edge platform that uses artificial intelligence to assist with legal cases. It offers tools for drafting documents, analyzing legal texts, and even simulating courtroom strategies. For law students, vLawyer acts as an incredible learning tool. It provides hands-on experience with case documents and legal reasoning without the need for internships or real-world exposure from day one. You can interact with a variety of cases, which helps in understanding complex legal concepts and building a strong legal acumen. Practicing lawyers can benefit significantly from vLawyer. It streamlines case management, automates document analysis, and reduces the time spent on routine legal tasks. Whether you're preparing for a trial or managing multiple clients, vLawyer enhances efficiency and accuracy in your practice. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine working on a complex corporate lawsuit. With vLawyer, you can quickly analyze contracts and legal precedents to draft a robust defense strategy or initiate negotiations. It's like having a digital legal advisor by your side 24/7. Another remarkable feature of vLawyer is its research capabilities. You can create research projects, get insights about court decisions, and even ask the AI about specific legal points. For instance, if you're interested in the impact of recent rulings on your current cases, vLawyer can analyze and provide tailored feedback. This is invaluable for staying ahead in both academic and professional legal settings. So, is vLawyer worth it? For anyone immersed in the legal field, whether studying or practicing, vLawyer provides a technological edge that is invaluable in today's digital era. It not only saves time, but also enhances your legal reasoning and operational capabilities. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on vLawyer. Would you consider integrating AI into your legal studies or practice? Let us know. Until we meet again in the future of law, goodbye.